If your legs swell up at the end of the day, your knees feel stiff every time you stand up, or even a short walk feels heavy, do not rush to think it is just old age. For many people over 60, the body is not just aging, it is also losing collagen, the very thing that keeps joints, tendons, and connective tissues working smoothly. And surprisingly, there are very familiar fruits that can help support this process from the inside out. In this video, you will discover the 8 most remarkable fruits, and the number 1 spot is a fruit that surprises a lot of people. Before we begin, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell for the Senior Meal Coach channel so you do not miss any new content on nutrition, joint health, and natural body care after 60. And please note, this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and is not a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment from a doctor. If you are experiencing prolonged leg swelling, severe joint pain, diabetes, kidney disease, food allergies, are currently taking medication, or have a specially controlled diet, please consult a medical professional before changing your diet, especially if leg swelling is accompanied by shortness of breath, chest pain, or an unusually rapid increase in pain. You should seek medical help immediately. Now let us start with fruit number 8. It is not the most powerful on this list, but it is a very smart starting point if you want to support your joints and connective tissues from within. 8. Kiwi. This small green fruit may look simple, but it provides a powerful set of nutrients that directly support the body's ability to produce collagen, especially in the legs and joints. Kiwi is one of the most vitamin C-rich fruits, and this vitamin is absolutely essential for the collagen synthesis process. Your body cannot form new collagen without it. Every tendon, ligament, and cartilage in your joints depends on this process. When vitamin C levels are low, collagen production slows down, and as a result, tissues become weaker and recover more slowly. One medium-sized kiwi provides over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than enough to activate the enzymes responsible for converting proline and lysine, 2 amino acids, into collagen structures. A clinical study from the University of Otago in New Zealand found that people who ate 2 kiwis a day had a 31% increase in plasma vitamin C levels within a week and reported reduced joint stiffness as well as a better range of joint motion. But that is not all. Kiwi is also packed with antioxidants and a compound called actinidin that helps break down protein and improves digestion. That means better nutrient absorption, faster distribution to damaged tissues, and more raw materials for building. To get the most benefits from kiwi, eat it fresh in the morning and eat the skin if possible. That is where the most fiber and antioxidants are found. Slice it into yogurt, blend it into a smoothie, or eat it whole as a snack. For older adults, dealing with stiff knees, slow recovering joints, or swelling that gets worse after walking kiwi is a quick and easy way to jumpstart the collagen recovery process from the inside out. 7. Pineapple. Pineapple is not just sweet and juicy. It is a tropical powerhouse when it comes to reducing inflammation and supporting collagen production. What makes pineapple particularly effective for joint and leg health is a unique enzyme it contains called bromelain. Bromelain helps the